am Shifa Cyclewala. I am the founder of Hacktify Cybersecurity. I have worked as a mobile application developer and also I am a cybersecurity instructor for online and offline programs. I have also worked with many other private and public organizations in securing their applications and infrastructure. If you are an individual who want to make your future and career in cybersecurity, so yes, this video is for you. If you are someone who is very curious to know that how hacking can be a full-time profession, how you can get into it, so yes, this video is going to surely help you out. So the topic for today's discussion is cybersecurity, the right step towards your future. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll share my screen and you'll be able to see my presentation. Okay, so here is my presentation. This is my introduction. I'll skip this. Before starting with the slides, I would like to say that this talk is entirely based on my research and experience about growth, development and future in cybersecurity. Before discussing about the future, let's understand the current trends. So the first question that will strike to our mind is, why cybersecurity a right step? So the reason is, we are getting digital day by day. Information reaches us at the speed of light. Every information facility and service is at our fingertips. If we are hungry, we order food, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. If we need medicine, we have PharmEasy, MedLife and so many. Want to shop online? We have Amazon, Flipkart, eBay. We are able to date online, make friends online, find our match online. To connect for a professional meeting, we have Zoom, Hangouts, Google Meets and so many. To check the updates of our friends and relatives, we have WhatsApp, Instagram and many more. We use Paytm, Google Pay, Bheem and so many e-wallets for money transfer. We are surrounded by internet from morning till evening. We spend 70 to 90% of our time using internet. So we are moving to a virtual world very rapidly without knowing the fact that there are so many scammers, attackers and black hat hackers waiting to attack. So what is a black hat hacker then? So black hat hackers are those hackers who work for their greed, selfishness and want to achieve things even if they create harm to others. They work for their selfish and malicious purposes, crack premium applications, create virus, ransomware to infect others. All the cybercrime, identity theft, data leak are performed by these black hat hackers or scammers. Then the leaked data has been sold on deep and dark web at very cheap prices. To the contradictory, we have white hat hackers who work for government and private organization and also are working to make internet a safer place and make our digital life better. So this talk is entirely based on the opportunities and the ways to become a white hat hacker or cybersecurity professional to fight against those black hat hackers and to save our digital identity of every individual. So we are in high need of skilled cybersecurity professionals. IT industry is already booming at enormous pace. So let's understand why and how this cybersecurity industry all of a sudden became an inseparable part. Earlier, only 2% of the whole IT budget used to be spent on cybersecurity. Due to low expenses on cybersecurity products and services, cybersecurity teams over the year have developed so many malwares to infect organizations. As you can see from the graph, I did not got the latest one. This is till May 2018. It shows that there is a drastic change in creation of virus, ransomware, spyware, etc. Here is the list of some common attacks which many organization has faced. So non-payment scam, non-delivery, phishing, ransomware and many more. The fact says 54% of the organization have faced some or the other cyber attack during the year 2017. If it is not stopped or defended, cyber criminal damage will cost nothing less than $6 trillion a year by the year 2021. So, the solution to all the above discussed problem is making an in-house cybersecurity team to look to defend the upcoming cyber attacks, cyber crime and threat, and also to lower down the risk and losses which can be caused in future. Why cybersecurity is future? The major reason is digitalization. Here are the demands projection for cybersecurity professional globally. As can be seen from the graph clearly, the shortfall of skilled professionals have increased over the years and is still increasing. As you can clearly see from the image, the job rate has increased to 28% in the field of information security, although development is in high demand, increasing at the rate of 24. But we cannot neglect the fact that out of 100, only 11 people think of cybersecurity and ethical hacking as a career option at entry level. Roughly out of 100, around 60 plus students thinks of software development as a future. So if you select cybersecurity, the demand is very high and the supply, as in the students, are very low. So this is the right chance and the right time to think of cybersecurity and ethical hacking as a future. So many students are concerned about the future scope of cybersecurity in India. So I have got a graph over here which clearly shows that the increase in expenses in the field of information security industry. This is very interesting to share that cybersecurity is one of the very few industry which have witnessed 0% unemployment rate since the year 2016 due to the high demand of cybersecurity professional in infosec industry. So what is the scope of cybersecurity professional? Scope of cybersecurity professional is not only limited to IT, software development, product or service based industry. It has increased its scope to now so many different fields like financial service organizations, healthcare organization, government agencies, education and manufacturing agencies. So what these professionals are doing in these industries? What made them hire cybersecurity professional? So, most of us have faced or have heard of some or the other scam related to bank account frauds. So, to mitigate or to prevent such attacks, they hire cybersecurity professional. Healthcare are the next favorite target of these black hat hackers. Now we have seen 86% of cyber attacks in healthcare industry since 2017. So what attacks are performed there? So majorly it is a ransomware attack which is performed into these kind of industry. Ransomware is a malware which encrypts all your sensitive data into something random which is not human understandable or readable. To decrypt this data you have to, and to make it to the original form what it was, the hospital needs to pay ransom money to the attacker. Then they give back a key to the hospital to decrypt the data. So why do they select hospital? Because hospital computer holds most sensitive information like what vaccine to be given to which patient, how many payments are to be collected, how many payments are been done, and a lot more sensitive information are stored into the hospital computer, and hospital can't let their patient die. So that's why they do not have any other option other than paying ransom. So to stop such attacks, they hire cyber security professional who takes care of the system and prevent cyber attacks, data leak and a lot more. So what is the eligibility criteria to be into this industry? So you should be a graduate, either you complete your BE, BTech in IT, computers, electronics and communications, or you complete your BSc IT or BCA if you are a commerce student. Understanding of OS, networks, mobile, Linux, shell scripting, and any one programming is enough to enter into this industry. Job roles and opportunities. So when you enter into this cybersecurity profession, your job tag will be of a trainee or a security analyst, and then slowly you will become an engineer, a specialist, then a manager, and then you become a CISO. What is the salary structure? So salary varies between 3 to 9 lakh depending totally on the company, what company you are applying for. It totally depends. The pay scale totally depends on the company. I have also written down the source from where I have taken these answers. Is cybersecurity in demand? So yes, obviously it is in demand. The increase rate is around 300%. The overall, the whole IT job market, cybersecurity jobs are now account for 13% of all information technology job. So yes, it is in demand. Scope of hackers in India. So many big names like Wipro, Dell, Reliance, Google, Accenture, IBM and Infosys have came in public and said that we are gonna hire so many, they are gonna do a bumper hiring in cybersecurity of ethical hackers. So yes, it is, you can see it's been conveyed by them in the year 2019. Tips to grow in cybersecurity. These are my personal tips. Great understanding of OWASP 10 networks, APIs, bug bounties and Linux are more than enough to get and to sustain in cybersecurity. Bug bounties, there are so many platforms to do bug bounties: HackerOne, Bugcrowd, Synack, Integrity, SafeEdge, Open Bug Bounty. So what should you practice on? What tools are important? According to me, if you know Akunetics, Burpsuit, Metasploit, SQL Map, Nessus and Nmap, this is more than enough to get a stable position into cybersecurity. If you want to do a certification in cybersecurity after your graduation, you can go for CSCU, that is Certified Secure Computer User. Then you can go for Certified Ethical Hacker, that is known as CEH. Then you can go for EC Council Certified Security Analyst, and then CISSP. So this is it. I hope you got a clear understanding about how you can start your career in cybersecurity, why we need white hat hackers, how do they are gonna protect the organization, as well as I have discussed with graph about the job rate, employment rate and a lot more. So I hope this will be helpful for you to get into cybersecurity. Thank you so much.